Hello and welcome back to the series of tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to use push-pull deformation in Edit Poly. So for that, we'll just start with a plane. I'm just making a plane. I'll just turn off the grid. So we need the plane to be in more segments. So I'll just press F4 so that I can get an idea of the segments. The more the segments are, the more it will be easier for us to push and pull. So I'll just go and modify and select Edit Poly. Here in this column, you'll be able to find push and pull in this paint deformation. So I'll just click that and I'll just turn off the segments grid again, and you'll be able to see the cursor. So if you press Control Shift and click the thing, so you can just easily set and revise the radius of our cursor, for example this and this. So it is basically the radius of the cursor, and if you press Alt Shift and drag your mouse, you will be able to adjust the height of the segment, the push-pull mouse. The other thing is if you press Control and tap, so you will be able to undo the doings. Like you can for example, if you have created something like this and you want to undo this surface, you can just press Control and click back and it will be back to normal. So yeah, this was the basics of how to push pull. And also we have the minus area. Like if this is pulling and we want to push, then there is, like, if you go below and you can use this. It also has the axes in which it will perform. Like if we're only going in, I'll just quickly show. If we're going in Y direction, so you'll be able to see the bulge in Y direction. So it's like if we want to bulge on different axes, we can achieve that by clicking there. Alright, so this was the basic tutorial about how to use push pull.